Welcome everyone for the Navodaya 45 days crash course of preparation for your Navodaya. So we are learning mental ability, right? We are learning mental ability and we will be covering all the syllabus of Navodaya in these 45 days. You can share with your friends and also your family members, and they can also join this 45 days crash course. Okay, so what are the things we learned? We learned mental ability and we have completed 8 chapters. We have completed 8 chapters and we will complete today 2 more chapter, and it will be the completion of mental ability. So how are the classes going? Is everyone liking the class? Yes, is it good? Is it informative? Tell me in the comments. Yes, okay, good. Thank you beta, thank you. Yes, everyone is liking the classes. Yes, okay, okay. So that is, these are classes, extra classes for everyone to attend, right? So everyone like the video and also you have to comment, right? Okay, 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 good. Yes, so this is how we have to go about the classes and prepare for the Navodaya. So let us go to the next chapter, that is space visualization. So what is the chapter name? Space visualization. What do you mean by space visualization? I will teach you now. Okay, so that is, we have to make shapes. What you have to make? Join and make shapes. So how do we make? Let us see. So there will be parts given. There will be what? Different parts will be given and we have to join them to make a figure. So here we have to join in the space visualization. What you have to do? You have to join and combine. Which is the figure we have to select from the given option. So these are parts of a circle. So there are 4 parts. So answer is option A, right? So there are 4 parts and it is the suitable figure which can form from this. So we have to join and make into a figure. So that is, which figure will be created, that we have to visualize and get the figure, right? So that will be answer option A, right? Correct. Now let me tell, that is, tell me the answer for the second one. So second one, if you join, so there is a rounded and then triangle and then that is small thin rectangle is there. So answer is option A, that will be formed from the given figure, right? So second one, answer option A. Very good, everyone is typing. Yes. Now third one, if you join them, what answer will come? Option D will come, right? So that if you join this, so there is 1 2 3 parts are there. If you join those 3 parts, you will get the answer option D here. Now fourth one, what will be the answer for fourth one? Tell me students. Yes, so everyone is telling option C. Yes, correct. So answer will be option C is the correct, right? So will everyone be able to do? So this is how you have to complete and join the figure, right? So then it will be very easy. Then it will be very easy to identify which will be created. Okay, good. Yes. So this is how everyone has to create the figure. So let us go to the next part. Yes. So here if you see, these are the questions. Now I will give 10 seconds. Tell me the answers. So first, second, third and fourth one. Tell me the answers now. Okay, let me type the answers now. Yes. So everyone is typing the answers. Let us discuss the answers now. Okay, so here for the first question, so if you join these, the answer will be option A. The answer is option A here. Okay, so that is the answer for the first question. And second question, if you see, so answer will be option D here. Answer will be option D here. Okay, so that is for the second one, answer option D. And third one, if you join, the answer will come as option what? That is C answer. Don't be confused with D or B. Okay, don't be confused with D or B. So third one, answer option C will come. Okay, now for fourth one, if you join, this triangle is there and there are three circle parts, right? So on the three sides of the triangle, so answer will come as option A. So you have to count the number of parts also, then it will be easy, right? Then it will be easy, or you can think where the parts are going. So this is going here, and then there is a triangle inside. So that is how you have to identify. Everyone got it correct? Very good. Okay, so should we go to the next? Now let us see the next question. So these, tell me the answers now. First one, second, third and fourth one. Okay, so let us see the answers now. So for the first and second and third and fourth, everyone is telling the answers. Very good. So let us see here, students. So for the first, if you join, so what are these? This is a pentagon, right? This is a pentagon. That is on, and surrounding these there are triangles. The surrounding these there are triangles, right? So this pentagon is covered with the what? Triangles. This pentagon is covered with the triangles. So if you see here, there are four sides. Here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there, right? So this will not be possible. So answer will be answer option C. Okay, if you count it. So don't be confused with that. Okay, so D is not at all possible, right? So if you see here, this is pentagon, right? So you can count the sides. So this will be 5 sides. So that is why 5 sides is option C. Okay, good. Now let's go to the next, that is second question, right? So in the second question, if you see, these are parts of the circle. These are parts of the circle. So A will not come because all are same, but here it is different, right? Different sizes. So that will not be option A, and C will not be possible, right? C will not be possible, and D is also not possible. So answer option is option B for the second one. Now third one. So how many lines are there? You can see. So here 4 lines and this side 4 lines, right? So there should be 8 lines. So if you count 8 lines, where it is there? So B is not come, right? So in A, how many lines are there? If you see 1, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9. There are how many sides? That is, otherwise if you can count, here there are 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lines are there. So that is why A will not come. So here you count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is option C. And in D also there are 7 lines, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines. So D is also not possible. Okay, so third one is option C. Now fourth one, if you see, you have to join them. So there is a rectangle and then there are 2 rounded, right? And then there is a into mark. So which answer will come? Option D will come, because in A what is happening? There is a round part here. Can you see the ends of the rectangle? That is a little bit round. So that is why A will not come. So D is the answer. So this is C is not possible, B is not possible. So answer option D will come, right? So that is the answer for 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's go to the next part. So these, tell me the answer, students. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Tell me the answers now. Okay, let's discuss the answers now. So this is straightforward, very easy. First one, option A, right? So there are 4 parts, right? There are 4 figures. So that is why answer option A. For the second one, if you join, so A is not possible and D is also not possible, C is also not possible, because in C all are same. So that is not possible. So B is the answer for the second. And third one, if you join, the answer will be option A, right? Very easy. And fourth one, you can straightforward tell the answer, that is answer option A here, right? So that is the answer for the 4 questions. Okay, okay, good. So that is how you have to solve them. Now let's go to the next. This will be homework for you. This will be homework for you, and you have to write the answers in the comment. Okay, so these answers, what you have to do, you have to write in the comment. So will everyone do it? Very easy, isn't it? So these are the questions for you to comment. Okay, this will be homework. Now we'll see the next chapter. What is the next chapter, students? That is paper cutting and folding. Okay, paper folding and cutting. So in this, what we have to do, you always fold the paper, right? You always fold the paper and make some diagrams or some artwork, right? So that is how we have to little bit visualize here. What we have to do, we have to little bit visualize here. So here I will give an example, that way it will be easy for you to remember. Okay, that way it will be easy for you to remember. So I hope everyone is able to see the next, that is chapter paper folding and cutting. Okay, okay, so I will give an example for you. So let us take a paper. This is a paper. Okay, so this is a paper. So we will be folding this from this side. So first fold, let us make a first fold. Okay, from the right side. Okay, so it will be half, right? It will be half. And then next fold, we'll also make one more fold. Let us take that and make a one more fold from the top. So second fold, right? So we will make a second fold here. So let us take that. So it will be looking like this, right? So that is half of half. So this will be half now, right? This will be half. Now what we will do, we will create a diagram in that. What we will do, we'll create a diagram in that, that is we'll make a hole. So this hole we made it here, this hole we made it here. So what you have to do, we have to open this now, we have to open this, we will open it now. Okay, so let us take that. So the same thing, second fold is there, right? So second fold will open now. So what will happen, the same thing will come up, right? So the same thing will come up. So there will be two diagrams, there will be two diagrams, and then we'll again take that up, and then what we will do, we will open this side, that is the first fold. So we did the first fold, right? So that is first fold will open. Okay, so let us open that. So there will be both the figures will come, right? So that is both the figures will come here. So that is how it will look in the final answer, right? That is the final diagram will look like this, right? So that is how it will look finally. So that is how you have to visualize, that is how we have to visualize and understand. Very easy, isn't it? Yes. So this is how we have to fold the paper and open it. So folding the paper will be represented by the arrow. This arrow, can you see here, this arrow represents the folding. Okay, and then this dot represents what, that is folded paper. Okay, so that is fold, this dot represents the fold, that you have to remember. Okay, so it's very easy. I will solve one more question and it will be easy for you. So this is the question. Okay, in this first fold, so first fold is from the right side and it became half, it became half, and in this one diagram is created, that is the triangle. Okay, so now if you open this, if you open this, what figure will come, if you open this, what figure will come? So that will look like, so I will open it. Okay, so I will open it now. So the same thing will be this side also, right? So there will be full circle and then there will be line in between because of the fold, that if you open this side, there will be one more triangle will come. So if there is one more triangle, what answer will come? Answer option D here, right? So that will not be opposite. Okay, so not A, and this is also opposite, same, A and B are same, not possible. Okay, and C is not at all possible because this is different, right? So answer option D. So that is how we have to open it, students. Understood? Yes, give me a thumbs up. Very easy, isn't it? Will everyone be able to do like this? Okay, good. So that is how you have to open it. Okay, everyone like the video, students? Okay, so let us go to the next part here. Okay, these are easy questions, don't be confused. I will explain one by one. So first, second, third and the fourth one. Okay, so if you see first one, so it is folded, so fold is represented by the arrow, so then it is folded into half and then again it is folded into half and there is a dot. So what we will do, we will open it. So what we will do, we will open it. So if you open it this side, there will be one dot here, and then if you again open here this side, so that is you open from the right side, and then if you open up, there will be two more. So that is how it will look like, right? That is how it will look like. So answer will come as what? So this is how it will be. Okay, so that answer will come as option C here. Okay, so in the B, it is in the center, it is in center, so that is not possible because if you see in the question, it is little towards the left side. So this is left side, so that is why answer option C will come. So this is left side, right? Little bit left side, so that is why answer option C will be the correct. Okay, so don't be confused in this, very easy. Okay, so first one is C. So second one, so what is happening here, the paper is little different here, right? So this side is folded and then this side is folded and then there is a dot. So we will have to open this side also and this side also. So what will happen, there will be how many dots? There will be total 1 here. This side if you open, 1 dot will come here, and this side if you open, there will be 1 more dot this side. So which answer it is? Tell me. So answer is option B here, right? So answer is option B. So there will be no dot in the bottom, so that is why not C. So there is only 1 dot here, and D there are, that is not possible, right? So that's how you have to do the answer. Okay, okay, good. Now second is done. Now third one. So what is happening? There is only one fold here. So in the third, if you see, there is only one fold. So what answer will come? You have to open that this side only. So you have to open that this side. So if you open that this side, that is on the right side, if you open, that will look like this, right? So answer is option B for ball, right? So answer is option B. Okay, so it will look like this. So answer is option B here, right? So third one is answer option B. Okay, good. Now fourth one. So fourth one, you have to go with the options. So this is little difficult, maybe little difficult. Okay, so what I will do, I will little bit zoom here. Okay, so can you see here? So there are two square types, right? There are, that is the rectangle here. So there will be rectangle here. So answer will come as option C, and there is a circle inside, right? That is the center part is circle. So that is why circle will come, option C will come. That is third one, right? So I will zoom it out. So here what will happen? This will become as a circle. Okay, so if you see here, this will become circle, and this will be a square. This will be a square. So that is why answer option C will come, because here in A, that is rotated, not possible. This is rotated, not possible. And this is B, there is a, there are circles here, right? Not possible, there should be square. So this is a proper. So here in the middle, that is missing, here it is missing. So the circle is missing, that is why fourth one also is the not the answer for the fourth one also. Okay, so that is how you have to do. So I hope everyone understood this, right? So very easy. Okay, okay, good. So take your time and then understand. So if you are not able to or feeling difficult, you can watch this again. What you can do, you can watch this again. So let us go to the questions now. So these questions, tell me the answer, students. I will give you little more than 10 seconds, 15 seconds I will give, because it is little difficult. Okay, not more. So you will be able to identify with the practice. Okay, do it. Okay, students, now let us discuss the answers. I hope everyone got the answers, right? You have to eliminate the answer. If you're not, if you are feeling difficult, what you can do, you can eliminate the answer and find which is not the answer, right? So for the first question, second and third and fourth. So for the first, it is very easy. For the first question, it is very easy. So what is happening? First fold, and then there is a mark. After folding, it will look like this, and then there is a diagram or mark, right, punched, that we can say. Okay, so if you see here, so what will come? The same part will be reflecting this side. So I will draw it here only. So the same line, it will be slanted, and there will be a same dot here. So that is the circle. So it will look like answer option A. Okay, it will look like answer option A, not B, because it is not properly joined here. Okay, so it will not be properly joined. So you have to remember to make a mirror image, exactly same mirror image we have to make. Okay, so if you make a mirror image, it will be very easy. So it will come at the same juncture, that is the joining point. Okay, okay, so that is the same vertex. So answer option A for the first one. Very good. Now second one, if you see, it is very easy. So just it is folded this side, so we'll open on the right side. So there will be one circle here, so it will look like this, right? So if you join it, it will look like a circle. So there will be only one circle in the center, this half part. Okay, so this half part, if you open this side, there will be full circle. Okay, so that will be the answer option B for ball. Okay, so that is B is the second answer. Third answer, tell me the. So what you have to do, you have to open it down, right? If you this side, so that if you open it down, there will be one more. So it will go like this, that is the mirror image. And then if you open on this side, if you open on this side, so that line will join here, and then one more line will join here. So this is how it will look like, right? So this is how it will look like, means, so answer can be answer option A or B. Okay, it can be A or B, because so there are just lines in that is the folding line, and then B is also possible because both are given. So it will not be this way in the exam for you. So both can be the answers here. So C is not possible because there are two lines, and then D is not possible because it is totally different. Okay, so you can easily find it out in this manner. Okay, good. Now fourth one, if you see, so this is folded to, so here half folded, after again it is folded into half, right? This is quarter to 1/8, again it is folded. Okay, this is half, this is quarter, again half of quarter, okay, so this is this much only. So this is the fold. Okay, after folding this, it is like this much only paper, so it is again folded. Okay, so that is how it is arrow. So if you open it this side, so there will be answer option what? Answer option A will be the answer. Okay, so if you see, I will explain you very easily. So what is happening here, in option B there is a diagram, that is a cut in the top, but there is no cut in the top. So that is why B is not possible. C, if you see, in the middle there is no cutting, right? So what happens, if you open this up, okay, this quarter, half of that is quarter, if you open it up, there will be one more here. Okay, there will be one more here. Okay, so that is how it will look like. So if you see here, so this is how it will look like. Okay, so that is, let me draw it here. So it is like this. Okay, sorry, this is inside. Okay, so this is half of the quarter. So if you open it this side, it will look like this. Okay, so that is the mirror image. So this is inside, so then this is quarter of the paper. Again, if you open this side, there will be a diamond shape, there will be a diamond shape in the middle, and then this will come right here, right? So that is why answer option A is the correct here. Diamond should come in the middle. And in C, D, it is not possible because there is a cut in the top part. So that is why not possible. I hope everyone understood this, right? Very easy. So you can watch this again and then you can clarify yourself. Okay, let's go to the next, students. That is first, second, third and fourth. So I will explain this because there is less time. So I will explain by myself. Okay, so this is very easy. So if you open it this side, there will be one circle here, one more here, one more here. If you open this side, so that is answer option D for the first one. Second one, if you see, so just open it down, it will be circle, right? So the answer option B is the correct one. Okay, so B is the correct one because there is a line. So if you see, there is a line here. Okay, so that is why answer option B, not C. So line is missing here. So line is missing. So that is why not possible. Okay, so now if you see third one, so here also there is half, this half of the paper, this is quarter, again half of half, then half of quarter, again half of quarter, again it is folded. Okay, so of sorry, that is, this is quarter only. Okay, so in that there is a diagram. Okay, so in that there is a diagram, means if you open it down, there will be the lines like this, the mirror image of these. So right, again if you open this fully, so this will come till here. Okay, this will come till here. Again if you open this here, so what will come, there will come one more line here in the middle and there will be this line, right? So that is how answer will come option B for ball for the third one, right? So you go with options also. Third one, A is not possible, C is not possible, D is not possible. Which is only the answer? B. So this is how you have to eliminate. Okay, this is how you have to eliminate. And fourth one, if you see and open it this side, there will be one diamond here, and then what will happen if you open it down, there will, this diamond will come here and then this figure will come here, right? So that is why answer will come as option. And then if you open it this side, there will be one more diamond, so there will be total 4 diamonds, right? So answer option will come as option, that is C is the answer. Okay, so not D, that is very small. Okay, so or that is little bit flat, so that is why not possible. B is not possible, A is not possible. So answer is option C for the cat. Okay, so this is how you have to do, students, and these will be your homework. These will be your homework question. You have to write the answers in the comment. Okay, you have to write these answers in the comment section. So will everyone be able to do? Very easy. Okay, so any doubts you can comment in the comment section and then I will clarify them. I hope everyone understood this. Practice these questions from the book also, and any doubt you can ask in the class, that is Google Meet class. Okay, okay students, thank you for watching and share with your friends these classes that is we are conducting for the 45 days Navodaya crash course. So thank you for watching once again. We'll see tomorrow. Bye bye.